Introduce a little anarchy. Upset the established order, and everything becomes chaos. I'm an agent of chaos.
Welcome to Redline 87 Motovlogs.
What's up, guys? Redline 87 here. As you remember from the last video, I did the walk around of the bike, showed you all the new parts, showed you the new exhaust system, but I didn't let you hear it. So I'm going to do that in this video. First, I'm going to compare the Aero slip-on, which was just the stock exhaust with an Aero cam, still had the butterfly valve, and the new Akrapovic Titanium System. There's no CAD in this bike. There is O2 sensors because there was no point in getting rid of them because they're extremely small, and the DynoJet power commander works really well with them. So I left those in, but there's no CAT, there's no butterfly valve, the servo motor's gone. So I'm going to compare the two, let you guys listen to it. It sounds 100 times better. The airbox is still really loud, but now I have an exhaust note. So we're going to do that now. First, got my professional Coleman cooler here to get you a good angle of the exhaust system. And I have my professional riser here, which is aka a DynoJet box. And we're going to scoot you in right about there. Perfect. Now before any of you freak out, because oh my god, he's revving the bike up before it's warm. It's warm. I've already warmed it up, so spare me. See? She's warm. So let's go ahead and fire it up and get this underway. With the Aero system, I can only go to about 8K because that butterfly valve will choke it out at around 8,000 RPM. So to make it fair, I'm only going to go to about 8K on this one. That's about 6K. That's the 8K. fuck it, let's do 10. And that's a wrap for this video. Don't be mainstream, be an agent of chaos, and until the next video, hit the red line.